If your Windows update is stuck and you can't get past it, don't worry. Today I will show you two simple ways to fix it. Uninstalling update via recovery mode and disabling the Windows update service. Let's get started. First we need to get into Windows recovery mode. If your PC is stuck on the update screen, just force restart it 2 or 3 times by holding the power button. Windows will detect a problem and open automatic repair. Once you see the screen, click Advanced option, Troubleshoot, Advanced option, Uninstall update. Now you will see two options, Uninstall latest quality update or Uninstall latest feature update. Start with the quality update because it's usually smaller and easier to remove. Click Uninstall and wait a few minutes. Once it's done, restart your PC. Check if Windows start normally. Disable Windows Update Service. Once Windows start in Windows key or type services.msc and hit enter. Look for Windows Update in the list. Right click it, Properties, and set Startup type to disable. Also click Stop if it's running. This prevents Windows from processing stuck updates. Finally, restart your PC. Windows should now start normally without getting stuck on updates. Later, you can enable Windows Update again and install update in a small batch to avoid this issue in the future. And that's it. Your stuck Windows Update is fixed. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on notification for more easy Windows tips. Thanks for watching.